Hello everyone, this is ML Naruto. Welcome to my channel. So today in this video, I want to I want you to understand something which is very much important in the data structures and algorithms. That is the concept of analyzing an algorithm. But before that, you need to think in such a way like why do we actually need to analyze an algorithm? Why don't we just go with the flow? Why do we have to analyze the algorithm? This is the question that you always need to question yourself in your mind. That is why do you need to. I'll give you the reason why do you need to analyze an algorithm. Okay, we have two cities. Consider this is the city A and this is the city B. In the sense, just imagine maybe this is Chennai. Okay, and here this is maybe Bangalore. Okay, so these are the two cities. Okay, and actually, you are a person who is living in Chennai and you want to go to this particular city that is Bangalore. Okay. So you want to go to this city, Bangalore. So how can you go? We have, I mean, what I'm saying is you can easily go from Chennai to Bangalore by train. Train is a way you can easily go. And you can also go by bus. Bus is another option of going to Bangalore from Chennai. And you can also opt for having a flight through flight. You can take a flight from Chennai to Bangalore. Okay. And maybe you can also go to, I think you can also go to Bangalore, I mean, specifically to Karnataka from Chennai through ship. And then from that Karnataka, from that particular some random city to Bangalore, you can reach by bus, I think. So just consider we have so many kinds of options of choosing. I mean, to go to Bangalore from Chennai, we have ship, train, bus, by flight. You can go to Bangalore from Chennai with whatever option that you want and you are comfortable with. Okay. So, but which option do you usually select? That's what my question is. Of course, most people will say if you reach, if you just choose this flight option, obviously you'll be saving much amount of time, right? Of course, that's true. Usually, I agree with this option, but the thing is, do you have enough money? Why? Because opting for flight usually costs you more, so it's much more expensive. Seriously, it's expensive. This is the factor that actually hinders your plans of going to Bangalore from Chennai. Okay, cost. And the thing is, usually airport is lying very much far away from the place you live. Okay, usually this is the scenario. So you need to travel so long to the airport itself. Maybe usually from my location it would take some 1 hour, almost 1 hour from my place in Chennai. Okay, so it would take almost 1 hour from my place to reach airport itself, and from that airport we need to go to Bangalore, right? So obviously reaching airport is very, very difficult. I mean, it would be very time taking process, right? And what is the other thing that is actually stopping you from taking this flight? Um, Maybe at the time that you want to go to Bangalore, maybe the runway has been closed. Why? Because it's heavily raining, and there is some kind of cyclone signals are actually there. So due to that reason, people have, airport authority has closed this runway that are actually going towards Bangalore. So you don't have the availability of flights. You don't have availability. Okay. and and the thing is, for example, yes, you have cost. Okay, for example, you are a rich person, you can expend, you can spend whatever the money you want. Okay, so cost doesn't matter for you, so you can easily go with this thing. And the time taking, okay, it doesn't matter how long does it take, you still have so many days of time, so still time is not at all a matter for you. Okay, you can still. And availability, of course, just imagine if the flight is available. Okay, the flight is available towards Bangalore, the flights are available. And the thing is, the facilities in the flight are not at all good, in the sense, though the seating positions, I mean the seating positions and the amenities they provide inside the flight, those are not at all good, in the sense, maybe just you are not at all comfortable traveling in that particular flight, and we only have that flight towards Bangalore. Okay, so you would definitely worry about this comfortable. Okay, in the sense, you would definitely worry about this comfort. Okay, so these are all the factors that decide your journey from Chennai to Bangalore through flight. Okay, likewise, for bus there are some kind of factors, for train there are few factors, for ship there are few factors. So we need to take consideration of all the factors that really matters. Then only you can easily judge whether going by bus is really worth, or going by flight is really worth, or going by ship is really worth. Okay, so then only you can have the freedom of choosing the option that you want. So what I'm trying to say is, if you have a task and you have so many options, you need to choose one among them. But instead of choosing randomly, you need to choose the best one that saves your time, that usually costs you very less, and the time taken would be very less, and the availability would be high, and comfort would be very high. Okay, so these are all the options that you need to consider before taking any option, before choosing any option, right? So in the same way, just imagine here Bangalore, that is B city, is nothing but a is nothing but a problem. Okay, if you want to solve this particular problem, okay, A is nothing but the A is nothing but you. Okay, if you want to solve a particular problem, then you have so many algorithms in it. For example, there are so many. Earlier I have told you, so many, there are n number of algorithms are there, and you need to pick the best one among all those algorithms. And if you want to pick the best algorithm, that you need to analyze which algorithm is the best one. In the sense, I analyze whether I analyze the ship here, I analyze the algorithm train here, I analyze the algorithm bus and flight. I analyze every algorithm and chooses, okay, this result is actually uh, which is actually very much closer to me. So I would definitely go with this particular option. Okay. So in the same way, you can easily choose. So this is a kind of way wherein analyzing an algorithm does really matter. Got it? So this is the example of it. Yeah, so this is the example in layman terms, but if you really want, so I'll tell you. Um, for example, this is the problem, and this is you. If you want to solve this, we have so many options of solving it in different ways. For example, um, maybe just imagine this problem is belong to some sorting. Okay, just imagine this is a sorting problem. And for this particular kind of problem, sorting, we have so many kinds of ways, like maybe in insertion. Insertion is an algorithm, is an approach. And also you have sort. Also, you have selection sort. Sorry. Insertion sort, selection sort, and this is the quick sort. Quick sort. So likewise, you have 2 to 3 options or more than 3 options. I mean, whatever maybe the options are, but you always have multiple options of doing the same thing in a different way. Okay. So if we perform any algorithm analysis, or if you just analyze, any algorithm, then you can easily find out which is the best algorithm. Best in the sense, best algorithm in terms of, best in the sense, time and space. So if you analyze all these algorithms, you will be, I mean, you will end up having that algorithm which is best in terms of time and space complexity. Okay. Uh, I'll explain what is meant by this time and space complexity in the coming videos. But before that, you just need to remember what is the goal of analyzing an algorithm. So you need to remember what is the goal of analyzing an algorithm. So the goal here is to compare. So we need to compare different algorithms in terms of time and space. In the sense memory, and also in terms of developer effort, and so on, etc. So likewise, you need to compare different algorithms in terms of space, that is memory, developer efforts, and time. So this is our primary goal of comparing different algorithms, in the sense analyzing different algorithms. So yeah, that's it.